Hey everybody, welcome back to Daniel's Devlogs, my journey where I'm learning to make mature games without mature content. So, you may have seen me earlier today asking about if y'all have any questions or anything. That's still open, obviously. Feel free to comment. We'll be definitely dropping some announcements soon about our alpha version for the game. So, that is very exciting. I'm very excited about that. So, today I spent a little time actually filming a video for that, kind of a tutorial video for the controls, just so people knew kind of what they had and what they could do, just in case they hadn't seen all the devlogs like I'm sure you all have. But the other thing I did, which I'll show a bit in a minute, was refactor the AI code. So basically it had gotten very big and very entangled, so just need to take some time to comb it apart, rip it apart, and get it all separate, single responsibility, all that stuff. Okay, so let's talk about refactoring a bit from what I understand. And I am learning, believe me, the fact that this exists, not that experienced software designers wouldn't do this, but I'm sure they would know a little bit more about how to prevent this from the beginning. So essentially, I'm going to show you this. I know you can't read it. That's okay. That's not the point. I'm just going to scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll. So that is one class. That was the AI brain. And I was going to add something. I was going to add something this morning, actually. And I was like, how do I do this? I saw some things that were going to conflict. I was like, well, I have to do this to do that, blah, blah, blah. All that to say, I have made it, basically split it up into their own separate class. There's this whole thing called the single responsibility principle, and you basically want to try to give each class its own thing. So just organized it, separated it out, and it's a little bit better now. So that was kind of what I did without getting into any details, but it's one of those things that I'm trying to learn. I don't know if I'm doing it right. We'll find out. Just trying to how to balance prototyping, getting things done quick, getting them out, all that stuff where it works and it's working and you just let it go, versus going back, doing all these principles, because that will make your software better, cleaner, that's what they call it. But I'm not sure what the answer is yet, so I'm just gonna have to figure that out with some experience, I think. But one cool thing that I did through ChatGPT again, so the dash reaction thing where it'll pick between a bunch of different directions. So basically I made this little sprawling thing. Any green pointer is a direction that is unobstructed. Any red one is one that's obstructed. Helps for debugging. It's pretty cool. So be able to have some more stuff like that.